I heard a noise over here. Are you a squirrel or a rat? I think a squirrel. Okay, hang on and I will clean you up. Just stop biting. Okay, time out. He jumped out of my hands. Now wait, let me... Let go. Oh yeah. Now wait, let me clean you off a little more. Jeez. I heard another noise over here. I think Mama's hanging around here someplace. What made you jump in that bucket anyhow? Son of a bitch. Huh? Why'd you jump in the bucket? Now you're all full of oil. Alright, time out here again. Okay, now that my camera's all full of oil and you've calmed down a little bit, we'll go out back and I'll let you go and we'll see what happens. But you're all full of oil. Got it off you as best as I could. Freedom. Okay, I think you live up this one. Let's see. You're welcome. Okay, good luck.